I have a couple of friends that every time I speak to ask me about investing, and my answer typically is, do you want me to tell you the fastest way to lose all your money, or do you want to talk about investing for real? Because the real question is, how do you become and stay smart when it comes to managing money? And how do you invest it intelligently over the long run? I spent 2 decades working on trading floors in investment banking between New York and London. I worked in the private bank, helping some of the richest families in America manage their money. And I managed a hedge fund when I lived in Hawaii. And in that time, I worked with some really talented traders. And I've seen some cool stuff when it comes to investing and managing money. And I've also seen some dumb stuff that people make the same mistakes over and over again. And so now that we've all been stuck on this infinite loop between the fridge, the couch, and the TV during the pandemic lockdown, I decided to share some of those things with you and hopefully help you shorten the learning curve that it takes to become a successful investor. So I have a lot of content planned for you for the weeks to come, but always feel free to leave a comment or suggest anything you want to talk about or anything that has worked for you in your own investing time. And in the meantime, if you want to have a laugh at my expense, check out the first video I posted on this channel a few years ago when I lived in Hawaii and I was learning how to fly planes. My name is Martin Zeman. Welcome to my YouTube channel.